Students, welcome to this class. Students, in the previous class, we studied Gandhi's views on good handwriting. Let us today learn the sixth paragraph of the topic to know how his Sanskrit teacher persuaded Gandhi to attend the Sanskrit class. Let us see the text of the sixth paragraph. Sanskrit, however, proved a harder task. In geometry, there was nothing to memorize, whereas in Sanskrit, I thought everything had to be learned by heart. The subject was also commenced from the fourth standard. As soon as I entered the sixth, I became disheartened. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, anxious as I thought to force the boys. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The Persian teacher was lenient. The boys used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy and the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to the students. The easiness tempted me, and one day I sat in the Persian class. The Sanskrit teacher was grieved. He called me to his side and said, "How can you forget that you are the son of a Vaishnava father? Won't you learn the language of your own religion? If you have any difficulty, why not come to me? I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. As you proceed further, you will find in it things of absorbing interest. You should not lose heart. Come and sit again in the Sanskrit class." This is the text of the sixth paragraph. Let us see the words in the sixth paragraph. First word is a harder task. Harder means very difficult to solve or understand. Very difficult. Sanskrit was a harder task for Gandhiji. Next question, learn by heart. Learn by heart means to memorize something. Ghoshi ki mone rakh daba, learn by heart. He has learned this speech by heart. ମାନେ ସେ ଭାଷଣଟାକୁ ପୁରା ମନେ ରଖିଦେଇଛି. Commence is a verb. Commence means to begin or start. Its noun is commencement. Disheartened means lost courage or hope. आशा छाड़िया, निराश ହେଇଯିବା, disheartened. Lencho was disheartened after the storm. Rivalry means competition for the same thing. Competition, प्रतियोगिता. Lenient means not strict or liberal, not strict. Considerate, kind-hearted person who considers others' difficulties. जे अन्यर असुविधा बुझे ताको कहते considerate. My father is a considerate person. Next, hard taskmaster, a person who imposes workload on someone. जे बहुत पाठ बा कार्य दियंती तांको हार्ड टैक्स मास्टर कहा जाए. Anxious, very eager to do something or something to happen. Very eager. He was very anxious to avoid any trouble. He was very anxious. He was very eager. Tempt means attract, आकर्षण करिबा. Grieve is an adjective, become sad, दुखी हवा. Its noun form is grief, G-R-I-E-F, and its verb is grieve. Observing means very deep, keen, very high, observing. Lose heart means become discouraged, हताश हवा, lose heart. Don't lose heart, there will be more chances for you. Don't lose heart, here is a sentence, don't lose heart, there will be more chances for you. To the best of one's ability means यथा संभव जोटा हमें कहती, as well as one can. He tried to the best of his ability to finish the task. से टास्क कामटी को सारिया पाई यथा संभव चेष्टा कला. He tried to the best of his ability. So these are the words in this sixth paragraph. Let us see the summary. Gandhi did not have any interest in Sanskrit as there was a lot to memorize in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit one has to memorize a lot of things. So he did not like cramming. So he had no interest in Sanskrit. When he entered the sixth standard, he lost interest. He had no interest in Sanskrit. his Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster, means he imposed a lot of work on the students. His Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster. On the other hand, the Persian teacher was liberal, very considerate, very affectionate, and he taught in a very easy method. The students thought that the Persian was easier than Sanskrit. The students talked with each other that Persian was easier. So Gandhiji was tempted. Gandhiji was tempted and sat in the Persian class. He left Sanskrit class and sat in the Persian class. When his Sanskrit teacher came to know this, he became very sad. Who became very sad? His Sanskrit teacher. He told Gandhi that he should learn Sanskrit as he was the son of a Vaishnava father and Sanskrit was the language of his religion. His Sanskrit teacher persuaded him, saying that he was the son of a Vaishnava father and Sanskrit was the language of his religion. He assured Gandhi to help him to the best of his ability in learning Sanskrit. He told Gandhi to sit again in the Sanskrit class. This is the summary of the 6th paragraph. Students, let us see the questions. First question. Why did Gandhi consider Sanskrit harder than geometry? Why did he feel that Sanskrit was harder than geometry? In geometry there was nothing to memorize, but in Sanskrit there was a lot to memorize. So he considered Sanskrit harder than geometry. So in Sanskrit there was a lot of things to memorize, but in geometry there was nothing to memorize. So he felt that Sanskrit was easier. So Sanskrit was harder, geometry was easier than Sanskrit. Which class was Sanskrit introduced in? Sanskrit was introduced in 4th standard. He started learning Sanskrit from the 4th standard. Why did Gandhi say about the Sanskrit and Persian teacher? Gandhi said that the Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster, whereas his Persian teacher was liberal, very kind-hearted and very considerate. His Persian teacher was very kind-hearted. See another question. Were the Sanskrit teacher and Persian teacher on good terms? Was there any good relationship between the Sanskrit teacher and Persian teacher? No, they were not on good terms. There was a sort of rivalry, there was a competition, there was a sort of competition going between the Sanskrit teacher and the Persian teacher. What tempted Gandhi to sit in the Persian class? The easiness of the Persian language tempted him to sit in the Persian class. When Gandhi came to know about his Persian teacher from the other students, that Persian was very easy and his Persian teacher was very liberal, he was tempted. Gandhi was tempted and attended the Persian class. He left Sanskrit classes and joined Persian class. How did the Sanskrit teacher feel about it? How did the Sanskrit teacher feel when he came to know that Gandhi sat in the Persian class? When he came to know that Gandhi joined the Persian class, he felt very sad. He was grieved. He was grieved to know this. Why did he think it necessary for Gandhi to study Sanskrit? His Sanskrit teacher felt that Gandhi must learn Sanskrit. Why? Because he thought that Gandhi must learn Sanskrit because Gandhi was the son of a Vaishnava father. And Sanskrit was the language of the religion. Sanskrit was the religion of Vaishnavas. So his Sanskrit teacher thought it necessary for Gandhi to study Sanskrit. So this is all about the 6th paragraph of the topic at the high school. Students, this is for today. Thank you.